Hi, lovely people. How are you? Well, if you read from my description, I'm going to be unbagging a new subscription to me, and it is called Mintmongoose, and it is a jewelry subscription. I did receive this for review, free for review. But before I begin, I just want to remind everybody that I do have a giveaway going on right now. I will leave it up in the cards right up here, and I'll also link it down below my description box in case you want to check it out. You just have to be subscribed. I also do all different types of things on my channel, and every Thursday, what I am most proud of, every Thursday at 7 p.m. Eastern time, if you live in the U.S., I do live streams, and they can go on for an hour to 2 hours to even more. And what we talk about is different topics. We could talk about anything last week we talked about depression, addiction. A week before that, my husband did my makeup, and you know, I'll leave that up in the cards if you want to have a laugh. That is really funny. It'll be right up here, and I will also link that down below. But yeah, and one thing I love about this channel is that we don't judge, and when we do our live streams, there is no judging, so that is great. So anyway, enough of my babbling, because let me show you what time it is. Let's see. It is 9:01 p.m. So I'm a little bit tired, so I'm babbling, so let me stop. But I wanted to get this out, you know, to show you. So it does come like this, and this is one of my favorite colors. And what I really liked is, I haven't opened it up, so I don't know what's in here, but I love this little design here. It reminds me of the olden times when they just like wax melted something for like the stamp. That is so beautiful. But I have a little information. I'm going to look it up to make sure I give it correct, since I never got this before. I do know that one of my friends, Abadab, she does get this every month, and I will leave her channel down below, and you can look at it if you want to. You don't know if you want this or not. You can look at hers, and she's been getting it for months now, and you can see what it shows. But this is a $12 a month subscription, and what it covers is 3 different things, and the value is $40 and up. And then they have another subscription for $22.99 a month, and you are guaranteed to get 4 different pieces, which ranges the value of $55 and up. So that's nice. So I believe this is the 3-piece one, the $12 one. So let's just see. Oh, that thing came right off. I want to save that. Another thing, if you're new to my channel, I don't edit my videos, so I can be a hot mess sometimes. All right, this is really exciting because I was just saying that I wanted to get a jewelry subscription. Oh, isn't this nice? Right on top, you get a piece of candy, Weathers Original, which I love. Okay, so the first thing that I see, is there any, like, let's see if there's a card. So it says, yay, it's here. Be sure to share photos or videos of your new favorite mint gong. Okay, blah, blah, okay. And it says just thank you, you know, for subscribing. The first thing that popped out, you have this, but this is a ring, and it looks like you can make it smaller or bigger right there. So that's nice. And I believe everybody gets the same thing. So let's open her up. Yeah, okay. So what does this say? It just says spend $40 on individual items in our online shop and receive your next box for free. So I didn't bring my scissors. Let's see if I can open this up. Okay, so the first thing is a set of earrings, and I will show you these. You guys can see. Really, really pretty. There we go. I'm not going to put these on because when I was a little, I don't know, I think it was 3 or 6 months, my mom told me, and back then, when you got your ears pierced, at least where I don't know, I guess where I was from, they did it at the same time. They had 2 different girls, and they just did it at the same time, and when they did it, one is a little bit higher than the other. So that's why if you watch my videos, I always wear like dangly things or hoops. I don't really wear this type of things because if I do, you can definitely tell what is higher up and not. And I did tell her that I do like to wear hoops or dangly things, but I guess she just sent me what everybody else got, which is the April, which is nice because these are really pretty. And then the next thing is, I believe, a necklace, because I believe every month from watching Abby's videos, you get like a necklace. earrings, sometimes a bracelet or a ring. So that's, you know, really nice. I don't really wear a lot of jewelry, and I do tend to wear a lot of silver since my wedding band is white gold. I don't like to clash my jewelry, but I mean, these are really pretty, and this necklace is absolutely gorgeous. It matches the earrings, and then I showed you the ring, and so everything matches. So that is really nice. And let's see, one thing I love about this, you can make this right here, you can make this smaller or like longer or shorter. So I'm not going to put this on because I'm going to put this in a giveaway. Since I will not wear anything like this, only because, like I said, with the whole situation, that's the only reason why. But this is just absolutely gorgeous. I really do like it. So what I think I'll do is leave a comment down below. Leave a lipstick emoji. If you don't have that emoji, just write out lipstick. And I'm going to give this away. I'll give it 2 weeks. So yeah, just leave down below. You just have to be subscribed and also live in the US, since I did get this for free. If you do win international, I don't want to spend $70 just to ship this out. So I will be giving this away, but I think the pieces are absolutely gorgeous. And let me know what you think of this let me try that again. Subscription box. You see, I don't edit my videos. And let me know if you think it's worth $12. I definitely do. I really do. I want to see maybe if you can customize. Hopefully you can customize. I think that you can. And I think I'll definitely sign up for this. But if they just give you what everybody gets every month, it's like a, you know, you never know. I may not. So let me know what you think of this subscription. Would you get this yourself? I will leave the link down below. It's not a referral link or anything. It'll just take you right to the website. And let me know if you want to be entered. We'll give this 2 weeks. Since I do already have a giveaway going on until the 30th, let's just say we'll end this on the 28th of April. I don't know how long it is, if that's a week or two. That is my brother's birthday, so I can remember that. And make sure you live in the US and that you are subscribed, and put that lipstick emoji or write the word lipstick somewhere. And I'll just put names in a hat and have my husband or my daughter or my son, you know, pick out the name like we usually do. All right, guys, until my next video. Bye.